last conversation, I figured that I'm not in tune with the industry. I have no idea what this crimping is, and every self-respectful gentleman
should know.
Yes.
Actually, I'm very proud that you don't know what it is. Because I will be surprised if you know and if you crimp your hair. I didn't crimp my hair, never.
I hope so.
So that's why you wear hair. I hope you're never gonna crimp my hair, but it's very useful too. You know, like it's actually in the 80s people used to do a lot. It's giving texture and volume, which we are using now to help to create designs. This is crimper, guys. It's hot.
So crimping is basically, as I understand, waving your hair, right?
Yes, in a way. You know, like there, it doesn't matter. You know, like it's a tool. It's just hot, and and is giving, how I say, more texture. And before everything was more sleek, and we used to use teasing, for example, for the same effects. Now I'm like, why we're back to crimping? Because it's helping us time-wise, as we all working on schedule.
Yeah.
So we have a limited time to create the best we can do from the hair. And unfortunately, with the schedule of most of the competition, we don't have that time. So we're trying to find every possible tool which is going to help us time-wise to get the best effect and the most complicated hairstyle.
So this is creating volume.
Yes,
right?
And texture. You see now, in a second when I finish. So what I can say, one thing is what I don't like it. The crimping should just help you to get the texture and the volume. Should not be visible. So I use really small crimper, so almost you cannot see that hair being treated by tool. And it's giving me what I need to work with, but it's not visible. So I'm trying to keep it this style, which is kind of signature for our company. To use the crimper without people to see it visually immediately when they see the final product.
But yeah, they know that this is Boyko.
Hopefully.
I see.
So you see her hair have now twice more volume than before. Doing it from the other angle. And as stylist, I'm trying to use as much I can, have more tools to help me to do the process easier and better and more creative.